Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today's clip is the second contest in our Summer of Drones giveaways. That's my favorite part of the clip. Anyway, today, we're giving away a brand new Mavic Air. It's beautiful and it's in a sealed box, brand new, never been used before. If you win this contest, you get the drone, a full-size controller, a battery, a charger, everything you need to put this beautiful flying machine up in the air. Now, you may already be thinking, wait a minute, that's a Mavic Air. There's a new Mavic Air 2 out. This must be an older drone. It can't be that good. You could not be more wrong. This is a phenomenal drone. When this was released, it was state-of-the-art. Everybody looked at this and went, how could they build a drone that's that smart in that tiny little package? It's one of my favorite drones. I still fly it. Matter of fact, when I'm done with this clip, I'm taking this guy out back and I'm going to put him up for a little bit. But inside that tiny little package, which by the way folds up small enough to fit in your pocket, you get 4K 30 frames a second video recording at 100 megabits a second, which means you're going to get phenomenal pictures and amazing video with this product. It can fly for 21 minutes on a fully charged battery. That's pretty amazing. It can also fly an astounding 6.2 miles. Now, don't fly that far. We have visual line of sight requirements in the States. I hate to be your dad, but I'm telling you, keep it within visual line of sight. But knowing you can fly 6.2 miles means you're going to have a rock solid picture anywhere you fly in your backyard or out in an open field. So phenomenal drone from that perspective. It's also incredibly smart. It's got 3 directional obstacle avoidance built in, front, back, and down. Now, if you raise up into a tree and you hit a branch, you're going to crash it, but don't do that. Be smart about it. But knowing it's got the smarts to know things around it and not to run into them is a really good thing. In addition to that, it's got active track built in, which means you can zero in on a target, maybe you running around your backyard or your kids on a bicycle down the street, and it's smart enough to follow that person and film everything that's going on around them. That's pretty cool. In addition to that, it's got quick shots built in. So you can take this out of the box, charge up the battery, register it first, but charge up the battery, put it up in the air, and by tapping your screen, you can get all kinds of cinematic shots, Francis Ford Coppola kind of stuff, where it's circling you or zooming up away from you, taking shots of you in the background behind you. So phenomenal drone. It's not really a starter drone. It's more of a prosumer level drone. So it's really a nice little package. Now we're giving this away just like we did with the last contest. I love doing these kind of clips so I can be a little bit silly, but it's a simple contest to enter. We don't ask for any kind of crazy behavior. We don't want you to jump through hoops. We're going to make it as simple as possible. So if you look below, you're going to find a link. If you hit the link, a form will come up. All we're asking for is your email address, make sure it's a valid email address, and your subscriber name. You want to subscribe to the channel because that gives me 2 ways to actually contact you in case you win this. I'd hate to have you win and me not be able to get a hold of you. So put your email in there and your subscriber name. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that button down there. We're trying to get to 100,000 subs, and we're hoping that these kind of contests will help a little bit. So, put one in for the cause. Hit that subscribe button. Anyway, we're going to give it away. There's no strings attached. Like I say every time, there's no shenanigans. The person who won the last one, I probably shouldn't say this, but I will. When I contacted him and said, I'm sending you the drone, he said, my wife didn't believe it and said, we'll believe it when we see it. Well, believe it, I'm going to send you the drone because we tell you all the stuff you need to know on the channel and we're very honest about things. So if you win the contest, no shenanigans, no shipping charges. We'll ship it to you. I don't care where in the world you live. Could be Cucamonga. I think that's a place. But anyway, we're going to ship you the drone. So enter the contest and good luck to everybody out there. Now, I got to say again, nothing delights me more than finding people that are flying for the first time. And if I can do anything to help you get up in the air with a drone, I'm going to do that. So when we're contacted by companies like our good friends at DJI who said, Rick, you have a lot of subscribers on your channel that aren't flying today. We're going to send you a couple of drones, give them away on your channel. I was thrilled. So we're happy to give this away. And I'm even happier that people that win these can get out in the field and fly with their families in the sunshine and the fresh air and just really enjoy the hobby. So again, I really love doing this. If you're watching the channel, we gave away a Mavic Mini. We're giving away a Mavic Air. I'm going to tease you a little bit that there's more coming. That's where I'll leave it there. So definitely stay tuned to the channel because we got a couple of weeks left of summer. Even though I'm going to stretch that into September, just pay attention to the channel. We got a lot of cool stuff coming. In addition to which, I have a ton of clips coming as well. We got a lot of tech we're going to be reviewing, including new drones and new products and who knows what's coming. So stay tuned to the channel for that. And that's all I had for today. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. But please enter the contest because I love giving this stuff away, and I want somebody out there to win it and be really happy flying the drone this summer and just smiling ear to ear like I am right now when I think about putting a drone up in the air. So thanks again for watching. That's it for today, and until next time, good luck and happy flying.